In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. To do this, just go and open up your Trust Wallet app, and then from the home screen, simply click Buy. Now here, click Proceed, and then here, just search for Bitcoin. If you don't see it, you can also click on the search bar and just type in BTC, and then you should see it right here. So just pick Bitcoin. And then from here in the top right, click on whatever flag it says for you. And here just set it to your currency, which for me is the euro. And now here you can choose how much you would like to buy. The minimum is €1, but for example, I'll do 20 euros. And then you can then pick how you want to pay for the actual Bitcoin. So it's set to credit card right now, which is recommended. But if I just click credit card, I can then at the top select pay with and then do bank transfer, Apple Pay, credit card, Binance P2P, or a digital wallet. Now, for example, if I do want to do a credit card, then I can just keep it to credit card. And then you can see the different providers right here. I'll just use Ramp, and then you can click buy with credit card, and then it will connect you to Ramp and redirect you right here. Then you will need to go and continue by entering your email or with Apple and basically verifying yourself, and then also enter your credit card details and then just confirm the purchase, and then you will have bought the Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So now you know how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.